Vamos a buscar para mandarles el link. Hi, sweetie. I'm just sending the link.
Hi, sweetie. I'm just sending the.
Hold on, guys.
Hi.
Let's see. Okay, so today, hi guys, how are you? Today we have scheduled to work on the next page that is 324 together. It's a language. Let me check the schedule. Oh man, I don't find my schedule. I don't know where's my schedule. I know I showed it to you yesterday, but I don't remember. But after this, oh, I found it. Guys, it doesn't matter. Like, it's right next. First is language and then is math. Who cares? Potatoes or potatoes. We can have math first and then language. So what's the big problem? Why you have to? No, first is language and then is math, but it doesn't matter. They go together. We can have next language art. Don't make a big deal out of it. Okay. So we are going to work on page 324. Okay, I'm going to put it over here. 324. And we have to be doing from 17 to 31, I guess. Let me check. Yeah, 17 through 31. Hi, Carlos. How are you? So I'm going to pass assistance right now to see who's in and who's not. So let's see. Assistance. Today is a 17. Right now we're going to do math, guys. Math, okay? So let's see. First is, well, Adrian is not here. Ana Maria is here. Put present. You put present and you put Ana Maria. Hugo. Dani, ¿le puede bajar un poquito el volumen allá?
Espera.
Okay. So Ana Maria is here. Say present if you're here, please. Okay, very good. Carlos is here, already told me. I need to. Eliana, is Eliana here? Eliana? You put present and your name, guys. Remember, I don't know who Jocelyn Gabriela Rivero Orellana is. So you need to put your name and present. Please. So Eliana is here. Who is me? I don't know who is me. Guys. Is Eliana here? Put your name and put present. Okay, so I'm going to put no. Is Esther here? I haven't said your name, Mario, but I'm going to put present already. Esther? I only have 8 students in here. Is Esther here? Mia? Mia, are you here? Okay, Esther says present already. Mia? Is Mia here? Mia's not here yet. Otto? Is Otto present? Otto? Guys, if it's not you, please don't put no or yes. Okay. Pamela is here, and Valentina obviously is here. Okay, so we're gonna work from 17 to 31. So we're gonna read directions. It says choose the better unit to measure each capacity with right millimeters or liters. So we have to use the conversion table that is on page 322. And for example, we're going to do number 17. It says a glass of milk. So I'm going to give a sticker to the first person that tells me if a glass of milk is milliliters or liters. We're on page 324 on exercise number 17. So a glass of milk, do you think that a glass of milk is measured with milliliters or liters? Okay, Pamela says milliliters. I'm gonna wait for more answers to see if it's correct or no. Mario says liters. Anna says liters. Pamela says milliliters. Okay, so the people who said milliliters is correct, guys. Milliliters is the volume when we have liquid, but in a small container. Liters are like in a big, like for example, a big bottle of water. Okay, so it would be a glass of milk. It's a small glass of milk would be in milliliters. Okay, so the people who said milliliters is correct. Choose your destiny. No, that's not it right now. Okay. Number 18, okay? So that's the sticker for the guys who said milliliters. Now, 18. Destiny, yeah. 18. A kitchen sink. A kitchen sink is where you wash the dishes, the sink, the sink. How do you think if we had liquid on it or water, it would be liters or milliliters? Just by looking at how big the sink it is, a kitchen sink. Okay, Valentina is correct. Enzo is correct. Mario is correct. Yes, it will be liters because it's big, guys. A kitchen sink is big. Even though it's little, it wouldn't be milliliters. It would be liters, right? Very good. So here goes a sticker for, I'll put this cute little sticker. Here you go. It will be liters. Very good. Liters. So now we're going to go to number 19. It says a juice from one lemon. Not a lemonade, just juice from one lemon. What it will be? One lemon. Milliliters or liters? A juice from one lemon. Very good. Milliliters, right? Obviously. Here I'm gonna send you a little sticker because you got it correct. Little fart. Very good. It will be milliliters. Now, number 20, a bathtub. You know those bathtub, those fancy bathtubs you have in hotel rooms? You can go and bathe yourself and relax. Not like the shower. You can stay on it. The bathtubs. You can put all of your body inside. So it would be measured in liters or milliliters. What do you think? Bathtub. Yes, very good, Mario. Very good, Ana Maria. Very good, Valentina. It would be liters. Very good. Here you have a little sticker. Very good, Enzo. Very good, guys. Very good, guys. Yes, it will be in liters. Now, number 21, a little spoon. A spoon. It will be in milliliters or liters. What do you think? A spoon. Your poop head, no. A spoon will be in milliliters or liters. Very good, milliliters. Excellent. Here you have a little savage pony because you got it correct. There you go. So now, number 22, it says a swimming pool. A swimming pool where you swim, where you can have practice and also, um, I know, dive yourself in and swim one place to another. A swimming pool will be in liters or milliliters. A swimming pool. Mm-hmm. Very good, Enzo. Correct. Very good, Ana Maria. Very good, Carlos. Yes, it will be in liters. So now, from number 23 to number 31, we have to compare. We have to say if it's greater, if it's less, or if it's equal. Remember that in this section, I'm going to use my cute little board. In this section, you have 6 milliliters. And you have the space to put if it's greater, if it's less, sorry, if it's greater or it's equal, right? To 6,000 liters. But what you need to do in order to compare that, in order to know, you know that you have to change this to liters, right? Because you cannot compare potatoes to tomatoes. You have to compare potatoes with potatoes, milliliters with milliliters, or liters with liters. So we're going to change this into liters. So we're going to have 6 milliliters and we're going to change it to liters. Our conversion says that 1 liter equals to 1,000 milliliters, right? Right? Hold on, guys, step by step. Okay, so who's gonna go in the bottom for me to change this milliliter to liters? Who's gonna go in the bottom? What unit I have to put here to cancel this milliliters? Which number has to go here in the bottom to do the conversion? Mm-hmm. Am I gonna put 1 liter in here or 1,000 milliliters in here? Very good, Pamela. It will be 1,000 milliliters. And why is this? Because this way I can cancel milliliters with milliliters, right? And who's gonna go in the top? Who's gonna go in the top? Who's gonna go in the top? If I already used the 1,000 in here, very good. 1 liter. So I'm gonna say 6 times 1 divided by 1,000, right? Or 6 divided by, huh? Is that correct? So what we're gonna do, It cannot be 6,000 because I need to divide this divided by this. Hmm? Yes, we have to divide. That is correct. So what would my answer be? Come on, guys, think. You have to think a little bit out of the box. Okay, guys, the thing is that I cannot multiply. My answer is not 6,000 because I need to divide 6 divided by 1,000. So just by knowing this, I know that if I divide this by this, is gonna be obviously less than this. If you do the division, you cannot multiply 6 times 1,000 because the process is like this. Look, 6 times 1 divided by 1,000, or 6 divided by 1,000, right? So who is greater, the 6,000 liters or 6 milliliters? I'm still waiting. No, it's not 6,000. You are incorrect because I am dividing, I'm not multiplying. Cannot be, or you're telling me that this one is greater? Who is greater, 6 or 6,000? I'm gonna ask the question again. Who is greater, 6 or 6,000? Okay, Enzo says that 6 is greater. Anna says that 6 is greater. I think that is Esther says 6,000. Pamela. So who is greater, Pamela? 6 or 6,000? Very good, no, Pamela is not this one. Valentina, yes. So your answer will be like this. 6 milliliters is less than 6,000. How do I know that? Just by looking that 6 is going to be divided by 1,000, I know immediately that it is less than 6,000. I'm tired. You know that we have been doing this a lot of times, and it's like the part that takes more time. Okay, we're gonna do that next one. Okay, we're gonna change this. We're gonna change this liters into milliliters to know if they're equal, less, or greater. Okay, so we have 8 liters. To convert this, who's gonna go in the bottom? We're moving to number 24. You didn't understand with number 23, we're moving to 24. Okay, let's convert these liters into milliliters. Come on. Okay, so 1 liter is gonna go here in the bottom, and then the top is gonna be what? Look, I cancel liters with liters. So who's gonna go in the top? Stop sending emojis, guys. Very good. 1,000 milliliters. Now, what do we have to do? 8 times 1,000 is 8,000. So that means that this is greater, less, or equal. What it is? Very good. Equal. Very good. Excellent. Excellent. Now you got it. This is the same thing that we have been doing. It will be equal because 8 times 1,000 equals to 8,000. So that means that this in milliliters is the same as this. Very good. I finished the page. Pamela. Okay, okay. So now let's go and do number 25. Number 25 says 30 liters, and they're comparing it to 300 milliliters, right? Okay. So we're going to do what? We're going to change this liters to milliliters to know if it's greater, if it's less, or if it's equal, right? So we're going to say 30 liters, and we're going to convert it to millimeters. Who's going to go in the bottom to make the conversion? 1 liter or 1,000 milliliters? Who's going to go in the bottom? Very good, Esther. I think that is Esther. So we cancel liters with liters, and then the top is going to be 1,000 milliliters. And if I multiply 30 times 1,000, how much is it? How much is 30 times 1,000? I don't need the answer right now. We're doing the process. Don't jump into the answer. Okay, so 30 times 1,000 is 30,000. So is it 30,000 milliliters less, greater, or equal to 300 milliliters? What is it? Is this one greater? Aha. So it will be that this is greater than this. Does everybody understand how to do this? Very good, yes. Very good, Enzo. Okay. And we're gonna do one more so you can finish the rest by your own and send it to me in a picture, okay? We have number 26. We have 4,500 milliliters. And we are comparing this to 45 liters. I already finished. Okay. So you can do, or you can change this milliliters to liters, or change the liters to milliliters. As I see, with all the process that we have been doing for you, is is like easier to change from liters to milliliters. So we're gonna convert this one. It doesn't matter. You can take this one or this one. It doesn't matter as long as they're the same. So we're gonna take the 45 liters. Who's gonna go in the bottom for me to convert it into milliliters? What unit I have to put here in order to cancel this liter? No, you guys, don't jump. You're getting it wrong. Let's do the process. Okay, who's gonna go in the bottom? Mm-hmm. I'm waiting. Very good. 1 liter. Very good. So we cancel, and the one that's going to go in the top is 1,000 milliliters, right? Mm-hmm. So now we say 45 times 1,000 is how much? How much is it? No answer. Mario, stop doing that, please. Like, just put it one time. Okay, so it's 45,000. So, is 45,000 4,500, 4,500 milliliters. Which one is greater? Huh? 45,000 or 5 liters would be, yes, would be the greater symbol. It's not equal because this is less than 45,000. That's what we did the conversion. So by yourselves, you're gonna do number 27, 28, 29, 30, and 31. Okay? That is your assignment for today. Everybody understands? The same thing that we have been doing, but with different units. You knew what? Okay, we're gonna get ready now for language arts. We're not gonna stop. We're gonna continue. So please, guys, do this as an assignment, and you know what you have to do, right? Send it to my email. Only if only you cannot send it through my email. Send it with a picture to my phone. But that's if there's no other way. Okay. Now we're going to language arts. So let's see. Yesterday we were looking at pronouns and antecedents, right? What is this about? Stay there. Okay. Let me go and get my book. Here I have my book. So for language arts today, we have okay. Where was I? Okay, today we have to go to page 279. Thank you, Pamela. Pamela put the page of the number of the page, sorry. That is page 279. Let's run. So we have this. Look at it quickly because you're going to see the answers. And we're going to do it together. Okay? Page 279, readers and writers. What happened? What happened? What are you fighting for? I have chalk. Girl, I'm all dirty. I'm not sassy now. Okay, so page 279. It says pronouns and antecedents. Read the passage, then read its question. Circle the letter of the correct answer. Please, guys, just put the letter of the answer, okay? I'm going to read right now the little paragraph. It says, the trouble with speaking Navajo. Roy got in trouble because they spoke Navajo. American soldiers needed a code to help him. I have an idea, said Johnston, and she can't fail. Navajos joined the Marines and he made up a code. The code was simple, but he was unbreakable. Okay? So we're going to do number 1. It says, what change, if any, should be made in sentence 1? Sentence 1 says, Roy got in trouble because they spoke Navajo. Option A is change they to we. Option B is change they to it. Option C is change they to he. And option D is make no change. So what option would you choose? Guys, please stop fighting on the comment section and concentrate or I'm going to lock you out. I'm going to give a sticker of the person to the persons that have it correct. What option would you use? Remember that the pronoun has to go with the antecedent. If it's singular, if it's plural. Very good, Pamela. It's letter C. Excellent. Here you have a little monkey. Very good, Mario. Very good. I'm going to give you a little pig. Excellent. Excellent, Esther. We're not with Wolachi, and so please behave. Okay, number 2. It says, what change, if any, should be made in sentence number 2? Number 2 says, American soldiers needed a code to help him. So option A says, change him to her. Option B says, change him to their. Option C says, change him to them. And D, make no change. Very good. It will be option C because it will be American soldiers needed a code to help them. Right? Very good. Because remember, pronouns and antecedents have to be in relation with amount and gender. In this case would be amount, right? Very good. Number 3 says, what change, if any, should be made in sentence 3? Sentence 3 says, I have an idea, said Johnston, and she can't fail. Okay? So, what change will you do? A, change she to he. B, change she to it. C, change she to it. Or D, make no change. It says, I have an idea, said Johnston, and she can't fail. So think about it. What option it would be? Hi, Mia. What happened? I'm waiting for the answer, guys. Enzo says that is letter A. I have an idea, St. Johnston, and he can't fail. No. No, guys, it's not A. You're messing it up because it's concentrating on an idea. And an idea doesn't have a gender. Idea is a what? A. Mela got it right. It will be letter C. Here you have a little, I don't know what that is, a tiger. It will be C because an idea is something, is it, right? It's not talking about Johnston. It says, I have an idea and it can't fail. That the idea cannot fail. Okay? So it will be it. So the answer, the people who said C are correct. The first one was Pamela, so yay. Good girl. Okay, now number 4. Number 4, X doesn't exist. It's not an option. Why would you write X? It's not an option. Okay, so number 4 says, what change, if any, should be made a sentence 4? Okay, sentence 4. Navajo joined the Marines and he made up a code. Navajos, listen, Navajos joined the Marines and he made up a code. The option A says change he, him. Option B says change he to him. Option C says change he to they, or it will be D, make no change. What do you think that the answer would be? It says Navajos. Navajos. Is Navajos in plural or singular? It's plural. So it says Navajos joined the Marines and he made up a code. What would be? No, it's not letter B. You cannot be. Navajos joined the Marines and him made up a code. No. Yes, it will be C. Very good, guys, because Navajos will be they. So Navajos joined the Marines and they made up a code. Very good. It would be option C. Very good. Very good. Here, I'm going to give you a poodle. I'm going to stop it. We're not there yet. Okay, so number 5. It says, what change, if any, should be made in sentence 5? We're already on sentence 5. It says, the code was simple, but he was unbreakable. The code was simple, but he was unbreakable. Code is referring to something, right? So it will be option A, he to they. Option B, he to it. Or option C, change he to she. What it would be? Very good. It would be letter B. Excellent, guys. Very good. Very good. You did a great job. We finished even earlier. We're fast. So right now you have the time to finish your class work, okay? Finish your classwork for math. Also, send me the picture of this sheet of language chart, okay? I know it's 11:10, but we finished already. I don't want to put you to do more work because you're at home and you cannot be saturated with all that work. So take this advantage to finish your math classwork and send it to me, okay? Bye. Love you guys. Take care. I'm gonna be waiting for those assignments. What am I gonna be doing here with you, Valentina? Bye-bye. I'm done. I'm done too. Okay. Bye, guys. Love you. Mia, you didn't came on time. This is just like in school. You came up late. It was your responsibility to come on time. We were doing the same thing, Mia, but it was only the other page that you have to do the classwork. Yes. Reading, you're gonna be reading by yourself. You don't need me to read. Yes, just do the assignment that is on the sheet that I gave.